Hey, another beautiful day, and this vehicle makes a lot of noises that I'm really annoyed about. Literally has a noise for everything. But you can see we live here by the beautiful lake, and it is coming into summertime soon. And this customer wanted to get this fence sorted. It's a bit of an unusual one actually. It's like a fence and a gate with a sliding gate to match this, because this is actually a sliding gate, this one here. And what the customer wanted to do was to open this up and then just actually open up this gate here so they could have an actual view. So what we've done is we've actually welded a steel frame. You can see this Garapa, I think it's called. Hopefully I have pronounced it right. It's some sort of hardwood, but it's a really nice hardwood. And this gate's been installed with a slide guide down the bottom here. This little thing here. And it's also got like a custom roller set up at the top. It's actually got two posts bolted together with a piece of timber over it. And that was a bit of a challenge, but I'll shut this. Oh, there's the stopper there. That's the stopper, and it just gets secured with a simple drop bolt. I'm sure we could do something more snazzy if they want to, but this is what it looks like from the front. So it all lines up. One of the challenges we had was this retaining wall bowed out about 80 mils in the middle, so it was really messing with us. So we just had to sort of average it. We ended up putting this new top board on to fade out that retaining wall. You can see it's a little bit more of a gap here. But yeah, that's what the slide guide looks like. This is a piece of angle that's had these, you can see in there, so these little tabs are welded on, and we've gone and used rivet nuts. So rivet nuts, obviously if the force is pulling this way, it's the strongest force than trying to pull pulling the bolt out this way, so that you're actually pulling against the bolt. So that's a super strong way to do it. So yeah, this is a piece of steel. We haven't painted this because when you use these slide guides, the paint just wears off, because these, you can already see it scratched the paint off there. So I've just left that galv. This frame's just been painted with rust paint. It's nothing special, it's just a RHS steel frame. It's not aluminium or anything. But for this situation, it was actually the perfect combination of materials. And they wanted that little sort of gate at the bottom. I'm not sure why. The dog can probably sit there and bark and see people coming. So when they open it up, I'll open it up again, you can have a look from the outside. So yeah, it's quite a heavy, big gate. That's why I've put 2 points. It's got this top roller, but it's also got this slide guide in the middle. The worst thing would be for this thing to fall over. So that's it right there. So there we go, you can have a look. That's what it looks like when it's open. So yeah, it's a bit of an unusual one, but this custom has a unique view of the lake, which is pretty amazing. Down through there, over there somewhere. So they wanted to be able to have a look down sort of through this gap here while they're sitting on their deck without losing their view, but they also wanted to block their neighbours out over there. Hopefully they're not watching. This post here, we ended up just cutting out and just folded up the end of the post and used that as a flange, and then we just side fixed it with bugles. Bugles are awesome. If you don't know about bugles, you're missing out. They're like a 5mm bugle. That's real cool. But yeah, I like the result. I really like the way that this looks with the black and the sort of the slight yellow. This is unstained at the moment. It's probably going to fade like that, but I'd say if they wanted to, they could stain this and sort of keep that colour, because the colour's pretty awesome, man. Anyway, hope that gives you a little bit of insight of what we've been up to. Strong fencing and gates. We can do anything custom. We can just make it up. We can work it out. Often these, there's a lot of dependencies on a job like this, different things that have to intersect. That wall there was completely out of square with everything. So was that retaining wall, especially in the middle. So we managed to make it look nice and straight. You can see the track. We've poured this concrete strip with oxide down through the middle there. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Anyway, hope you're enjoying these videos, all 3 of you that watch it. Have a great day, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully we can show you some more projects if you're interested in getting stuff done around the house. Hopefully I can provide you with some tips. Have a great day. See you later. Bye.